whole process, bringing it back to its original state. It's a satisfying feeling.
I haven't learned everything, and I've been doing it for over 30 years. I'm still learning.
We spend about an hour in the classroom and we go through some chapters in the books, and we go ahead and do some live demonstrations in the classroom. It's from front to back on these cars that we cover. Dent repair, learning how to move and straighten out metal, applying body filler, and then we'll get into disassembly of the car, trimming hardware, and putting it back together.
Right now we're in frame repair, so we're learning how to pull some of the frames and learning how to use the computer measuring systems, which is kind of interesting.
They can go right out to the shop and practice exactly what we talked about just a couple of hours before. And it keeps the students enthused, and I think it's a nice learning environment.
The benefit of being here at the school is to learn to make the mistakes. It's nice to work on the donated cars. If you make a run or something, you could sand it out and repaint it. Everything is all a learning experience.
Experience, I think, is the best teacher, so just having a feel for what you're actually doing as opposed to just reading about it, that's where you really learn how to be proficient at it.
These cars, it may appear that they come apart the way the car did yesterday, but you need to know and kind of experience how these new cars come apart and go back together. There are more and more electronics in these cars today. We have airbags, we have sensors throughout the whole car. The ability to learn and accept new items every day. I mean, it's never going to be the same job every day that they go to work. The job outlook is very good. There are jobs, especially here in Minnesota, where we have the changing of the weather.
Transportation, in my opinion, is always going to be around. There's always going to be a need of people that fix cars. And I mean, someday they might be flying, who knows? But I would say it's a great field to go into.
When they're done with the program here, they will have worked on these vehicles. They know what they're doing when they go out into the shops. But it's nice that they're not shy and they're not afraid to jump in and to start working on the vehicle. It's rewarding because when you're done with working on these vehicles, you're rolling out of the shop a real nice looking vehicle. Whether it's an old muscle car, a classic car, or a late model car that was in a collision. You take something that's old and smashed up and you make it new and nice again.